Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Mysore location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss in detail one by one. Attention please. Do not pay money for any kind of job. Please be aware of fraudsters. Firstly, there is a job vacancy for GSSS Institute of Engineering and Technology for women. They have vacancies for professor and head for the Department of MBA and associate professor position for the Department of MBA and assistant professor positions for Department of MBA. You can see detailed information, qualification, experience as per AICTE norms given, and you can see what are the specific skill set needed, like qualification and experience details. Each for each position they have mentioned clearly. You can go through it once and get to know more information, and you have to apply before January 13th. And you can see there is a accommodation facility as well for the post of professor and associate professor as well, and you can check with the organization for further information. There is a official website address given here, www.geethshishu.in, and there is also official address details available here. You can check with that. So these are all the skill set and qualification experience details required, and these are the positions available, and last date is January 13th. Next, there is a job vacancy for Bhagya Jyoti School. They are looking for English and social teachers and primary teachers as well. And you can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. And this is a English medium school. Contact numbers are 0821 247 0611 and 9845 110785. Next, there is a vacancy for chartered accountant for a reputed organization in Mysore, and should be experienced, should have knowledge of auditing and statutory compliance. And they also have a vacancy for senior accountant. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, and also you can contact on the given phone number for further information. Email ID is msmysore1@gmail.com and contact number is 9686666771. Next, there is a job vacancies for one of the reputed chemical industry company and located in a hotel industrial area, Mysore. They have vacancies for accounts executive and ITI electrical and mechanical and quality manager. For accounts executive, minimum 3 to 5 years of experience is required and should have a knowledge of GST as well. And only male candidate is preferable for ITI electrician or mechanical department and should have minimum age 25 years. And quality manager, minimum 5 years of experience is required in chemical field and should have a good knowledge on ISO. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can also contact on the given phone number for further information. Email ID is jobs.inpp@gmail.com and contact number is 8095371777. Next, there is a job vacancy for Central Sericultural Research and Training Institute. This is a direct walk-in interview for the post of Junior Research Fellow. The walk-in interview will be held on January 18, 2021 at 9:30 a.m. And you can check with the other details here, detailed information available, what is the project and everything available. For more information, you can visit their website www.cstrimys.res.in. And you can see there is also contact numbers available. You can check with that. Contact number is 08212361 and there is a official web address details available here. You can check with that. Next, there is a vacancies for electrical site engineers and civil site engineers. Only male candidates are eligible for the job roles, and also admin position is there. Only male candidate is eligible. You can contact on the given phone numbers between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. for further information. There is also official email ID available. You can check with that. Contact numbers are 7760066611 and 7337888385 and email ID is acpltd123@gmail.com. Next, there is a vacancy for sports garment store. they are looking for sales manager position. You can contact on the given phone number for further information, and the person should be experienced in a relevant field like garment store, sports garment store. Contact number is 7760830520. Next, there is a job vacancies for Nirmala English High School. They are looking for teacher positions, and direct walk-in interview will be held on January 7th and January 9th between 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9108030013, and they have vacancies for English, Social Science and Hindi subjects. Next, there is a job vacancies for Navkis Educational Center. They are looking for various positions, teacher positions like for the subjects English, Hindi, Kannada, Mathematics, Science and Social Science and Computer Science, Physical Education and Library. For all these positions, they have vacancies, and only female candidates are eligible for the job role and should have a relevant experience and in the given subjects, and also the teachers should be able to teach from first to 10th class. And for the subjects like subject teachers, their qualification is BSc BEd, MSc BEd, and for computer science subject BCA MCA or graduate degree in computer science, and for physical education BPEd MPED, and for librarian position bachelor of library or bachelor of library science. This is are the qualification details for each job roles. And the person should have a knowledge of digital and teaching environments, and that is mandatory. Should have a good knowledge of spoken and written English, and you can apply to you can share your resume and photograph along with your educational or experience certificates. You have to share your resume and all certificates to the provided email ID on or before January 15 2021. For more information, you can contact on the given phone number. Contact number is 0821 247 6004, and email ID is principal@gmail.com. Principal navkismys@gmail.com. Next, there is a job vacancies for Gurukul International School. They are looking for teacher positions to teach the subjects English, Mathematics, Science, Social, Hindi, Kannada, sports coaches, arts and craft, music, computers, PET, librarian and clerk. All these positions they have vacancies, and for the subjects the person should be able to teach from first to 8th class for standard students, and you can directly walk into the provided address on January 9th or 10th between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and you should bring the original certificates while attending the interview. You should carry your original certificates as well, and this is the address location, and you can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. There is also official email ID available. Contact numbers are 7795349269 and 9164477982, and email ID is mysore@gurukul.org, mysore@gurukul.org. Next, there is a job vacancies for front office receptionist and security guard. For security guard position, only night shift is available, and for front office receptionist, only male candidate is eligible. And day and night shift, both shifts are available, and should have a minimum 2 years of experience along with computer knowledge. And you can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9945262238 and 9972859420, and these two positions is for reputed hotel in Mysore. Next, there is a job vacancy for Desirazu Associates. They are looking for research assistant position for conservation documentation. The person should have Bachelor of Architecture, minimum 1 year of experience is required, and should have a good English communication skills as well. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 77602952886, and email ID also available. Email ID is desirajuassociates@gmail.com. Next, there is a job vacancy for senior accountants, and for a mattress company. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can also contact on the given phone number for further information. Email ID is comfortsleyepmysuru1 and contact number is 8884442047. Next, there is a job vacancies for digital worker for album designer position. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role. Free accommodation will be provided. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9900405976. Next, there is a job vacancies for room boys for lodges. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 8050936432 and 9743221781. Next, there is a job vacancies for telecaller positions and back office. Only female candidates are eligible for this job role. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 8105884134. Next, there is a job vacancies for field executive positions for Mysore and Bangalore locations. Accommodation will be provided. Minimum qualification is SSLC and above. Salary offered minimum 18,000 along with incentives. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9880695574 and this is a automobile related marketing company. Next, there is a job vacancy for pharmacist position located at Hinkal area. The person should have knowledge of Hindi and English and Kannada languages. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9819408239. Next, there is a job vacancies for primary and high school teachers and coordinators for Wisdom School located at Nanjangud affiliated to CBSE. The person should have a qualification BSc or MSc, BEd, MEd or BE degree and you should have a good communication skills. You can share your resume at the provided email ID. Email ID is info.schooling@gmail.com, info.schooling@gmail.com. Next, there is a job vacancy for South India Pest Control Private Limited. They are looking for support executive. Only female candidate is eligible for the job role. The person should have a knowledge of telecalling and telemarketing and should be able to generate a business. And this is like a permanent job. PF, ESI and other benefits are available. To schedule the interview, you can contact to branch manager on the given phone number. Contact number is 9886465745. Next, there is a job openings for Samruddhi Gold Company. They are looking for female telecallers. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 8884731731. Next, there is a job openings for beauticians. Only female candidates are eligible for the job role and the person should be experienced. Attractive salary is offered. The location is Gokulam 3rd stage. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9606045981 and 7899959555. Next, there is a job openings for Malabar Biobs. They are looking for various positions and this is a Cape County restaurant located at near Hunsuru. They are looking for continental cook, captains, waiters, kitchen helpers and tandoor cook. You can contact on the given phone number for further information or you can also share your resume at the provided email ID. Email ID is mailabars@gmail.com and contact number is 9731071173. Next, there is a job openings for pharmacist and should be registered to manage a retail pharmacy at Mysore. The person should have a minimum 3 years of experience. Both freshers and experienced persons can apply. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 7760830520. Next, there is a job vacancy for SDJ Gold Company. They are looking for field executive telecallers and work from home option is available. Minimum qualification 10th and above. Salary ranges from minimum 10,000 to up to 25,000. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 7828558897 and 9538610115. Next, there is a job openings for sales executives for beverages company and solar. Salary offered minimum 16,000 to up to 20,000 a month. Minimum 2 or more years of experience is required. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9611880002 and 9739903362. Next, there is job vacancies for binder positions. They are looking for only male candidate and minimum age is 25 years and up to 40 years of age is considered. You can contact directly on the given address or given phone numbers between 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. for further information. That's it in this video guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings for Mysore location as early as possible. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos for Mysore location. Please share our channel with your friends and family members. Thank you so much for your love and support, guys. Have a great day.